gonna see if he needs primer or not. So he's testing on the piece I welded. Look how shitty it looks. Ooh, wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Wow. That is amazing. That came out so fucking nice. That's gonna be, ooh, stinky. That's gonna be our roll cage color. What do you guys think?
It's not grabbing properly.
It's not, oh, it's not grabbing. We're gonna need to sand it and prime it. Alright, so it's not grabbing. So, test. We're gonna have to sand it. So it looks like it's not holding. So we're gonna have to sand it.
Or clean it.
Yeah.
that part's just for us.
So we're gonna either have to sand it, clean it, or whatever. So
clean it for sure.
For sure, clean it for sure. All right. Okay. Well. Yeah.
I think it's just because it's dirty.
Yeah. So.
That's the dirty part.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we might have to sand it. We don't know. Or we're gonna have to clean it for sure.